Welcome to my channel. TP-Link TL-WA850RE N300 Wi-Fi extender setup. Connect it to an electric board. The power light blinks. The power light blinks. You have to wait for some time until the power light and wirelessly light glow. Download the Tether app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the TP-Link Tether app. You have to log in through TP-Link ID and password. If you're using it for the first time, you won't have any ID and password. Tap on Create TP-Link ID. Enter the ID password and tap on Login. No device found. Tap on this plus icon. Select the range extender. Tap on this option. Enable to location permission. Next, it will search your extender. Connect to device. This password is to manage your TP-Link range extender, not the password of the TP-Link extender's Wi-Fi network. This password is useful for some future changes in this range extender. Select your network. Enter password and tap to Next. One more time, tap to Next. Tap on Apply. You can see the network light is glowing. You can see the process has been completed. It is showing location looks good. Tap here. Tap on Connect to Network. You can see the process has been completed. It is showing location looks good. Tap here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.